And now, our feature presentation.
Taco Pizza with Angry Grandpa. Hey there, it's me, Sheen. Just to ask you, have you heard of taco pizza before? Me neither. But I know somebody that knows how to make it though, which is I've never seen it before, but I'm thinking about trying it though. Would you like to try it too? Awesome, because I know somebody who does, and his name is Angry Grandpa. Now, I'm sure most of you know him, and some of you don't. We're going to introduce you to him because, he's a really funny guy, and I've seen him all the time. So, because he'll show you how to make taco pizza. So, are you all ready for this? Awesome, Angry Grandpa.
Youngins!
Hey.
It's me. It's Chef AGP.
Chef Boyardee.
I'm the chef. You know, how many times have you been to a pizza place and you say, oh man, I like tacos and I like pizza. Let's get a taco pizza today. So you order the taco pizza, and you're waiting patiently, and you're expecting a pizza that look and taste like a taco. Not mine! And I want one. I want one so bad! I want a real taco pizza! And the only way I'm gonna get it is to make it myself.
Well, here we go. That's okay, he's missing it.
You'll see, I done got the burger cooking. This is stuff I normally don't do. I always have it ready.
Ground beef?
That's all.
I'm just
It's
letting
ground
you know
beef.
what it is.
It's ground beef. And I use El Paso. I always do this, but I always have it made up before y'all get a chance to. And damn, I need a knife. Now that's a knife.
Whoa, you gotta be careful with knives. It's really sharp.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix one pack to start with. Now see, that is like what you get on tacos. We got the taco shell. I am gonna take some refried beans and I'm gonna heat them suckers for 3 minutes.
Oh, dang. Well,
I got some Pace Picante sauce. I'm just tired of going and getting it, and it don't taste nothing like a taco. Yeah, you know good. I would have wanted it anyway. So I got my beans all hooked up, and we're gonna spread it on the pizza dough, just like you would regular
Marinara.
sauce, marinara, whatever you call it.
Marinara.
Once again, pretty thick. Because nothing gives me worse than to bind up pizza and there ain't no damn meat on it. Then we put this sharp cheddar cheese on top of all that mixture. And I'm gonna put my onion right here on top of this. Reason being, I want that onion flavor to cook down into the meat. I'm gonna take the bell pepper, which I've shredded up too. By the way, I am working on my cookbook. Should have it ready here probably next month. Then I gotta find somebody to publish it. So, hopefully, that won't take long. That is so good.
And what do you have the oven set on?
350. Until everything comes up, about 10 minutes.
Okay.
In the meantime, you got this left over. I love refried beans. Well, damn!
Just drop it.
I will. All we're waiting for now is for that to cook. Take it out, and it's ready. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that, man.
Man, that looks good.
Taco pizza, but what we're gonna do now, wait.
Oh, look at
We're
that.
gonna put in the pepperoni now for the boys.
Oh, we got another pizza.
Them boys may not do nothing else, but they eat good. Okay, we got that done. Next step, lettuce. All tacos have lettuce. And they also have tomato.
That looks good.
And there you have it. Taco pizza. What do y'all think? Let's watch this now.
Hot.
Quarter hot, you came out of the oven. What does that mean?
It's hot. I can't talk.
No shit. But that is a taco pizza,
It's good.
and it's good. Okay, youngins. That taco pizza was awesome. That's all that's left.
Golly.
That's all that's left of taco. Now we're pulling out
Wow,
pepperoni. Oh my God, look at that. That is a pepperoni pizza. That's not DiGiorno. I baked it.
Ooh.
I ain't lying, that's hot. When you do it yourself, it looks better, it tastes better. Now that's a pepperoni pizza. Look at that. Ah. Oh my God. Mmm. Cook. It's fun. Involve your kids. They like to cook. It's a family thing. You can do it. Grandpa. Saying Mickey Pizza, enjoy your food. I love you. Don't forget, check all our channels out. See you on the next Cook with Grandpa. Or Grandpa's Corner, or whatever. Bye. Tell them bye, Laura.
Okay.
Bye.
Grandpa.
Bye.
Thanks for all the help. Well, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Did you enjoy it? Nice. Well, hope you enjoy this, and would you give this a try? Yeah, I would give this a try, because, you know, I never had taco pizza before. I mean, I had, like, pizza, like actual pizza, but I never had taco pizza, but it looked really good, don't you think? Yeah, and, yeah, you can try this with your family, and say to Angry Grandpa, I would try this too, so, I want to try it, so, well, if I could, so, what do you mean, as you know, I love tacos as well, so, aren't tacos awesome? Yeah, hey, what do you like best? Tacos, pizza, or both? Cool, awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, let me know what you think. And once again, I want to say, Angry Grandpa, if you're watching, thank you for showing us how to make taco pizza. And of course, I want to say also a special thank you to Pickle Boy, and yeah, that's it. Oh, and Bridget too, if you're watching. So, thank you for doing this thing with us, and we'll see you soon. For more fun with me, Sheen Rebits, visit me at my website anytime.